I'm John Pfeiffer, the CEO of Oshkosh Corporation. I have the opportunity to lead this great organization, a world-class innovator and manufacturer that designs and builds amazing purpose-built machines for people who do some of the most difficult jobs in the world. Our MOVE strategy has served us well as we've navigated through the challenges of the last decade. And now, the time is right for us to evolve our company strategy to focus on the things that have worked well for us and on the most important priorities going forward. Innovate, serve, advance. Our new strategy is reflected in 3 simple words. Our strategy is grounded in our purpose, making a difference in people's lives. The vehicles we design and manufacture help everyday heroes around the world. Soldiers, firefighters, people working at great height, and environmental service workers, amongst others. We enable this important work with a strong culture that focuses on taking care of our people. The first element of our strategy is innovation. We are developing and integrating the most advanced technology to fulfill our purpose better than ever. To name a few, electrification. We've been working on electrification since the 1990s and have recently launched electric vehicles in several businesses within our portfolio of companies. The electric Pierce Volterra fire truck is one such example. Electrification provides enhanced performance, economic benefit, as well as sustainability benefit. Autonomy is another such advanced technology. We are leaders in autonomy, using systems like LiDAR, radar, and GPS, along with advanced machine learning algorithms to develop autonomous vehicles and active safety systems. There's also intelligent products technology. Many of our products use telematics today, and we continue to advance this technology through data science, giving customers insight to be more productive and more safe. We leverage innovation across all our businesses. This helps ensure that we continue to be leaders in our markets and stay ahead of the competition. The second element of our evolved strategy is serve. We have vehicles and machines installed across the world. It is our priority to make sure equipment is productive and safe throughout its life cycle. Fleet uptime is critical to customers, and that's our priority. The third element of our evolved strategy is advance. We continue to advance our company by expanding into new markets and new geographies. Our recent contract award for the United States Postal Service Next Generation Delivery Vehicle is a great example of our expansion into new markets. In this case, last mile delivery. We will continue to grow across the world and expand into new categories, both organically and inorganically. With innovation and perseverance in our DNA, a strong focus on serving customers throughout the product life cycle, and advancing into new markets and geographies, we will continue to make an important difference in the lives of everyday heroes. And because we do that so well, we're in a great position to deliver strong performance over time and drive greater success as we move forward.